Today, let's learn how to create a backend order from order page with deposit option. Click on the Add Order button and then navigate to the New Order page. From the Order Creation page, enter the user details at the Customer Detail Filling column. Now add the order items to the order using the Add Items button on the Order Edit section. Now from the pop-up Product List option, select the product you need to add to the order and enter the quantity of each product. Once adding the order items, click on Create button to publish the order. Then click on the Recalculate Deposit button to add the deposit option to the order that you have created. On the Deposit option pop-up, select the product that you need the deposit option, and then select the deposit type from the drop-down option. You can also configure the tax collection, fee collection, shipping, and coupon handling from the same Configure section from the Advanced settings. Once adding the deposit, click onto the Create button for recalculating the added deposit. Now you have created an order with deposit values from the backend order page. Thank you and have a nice day.